All right. So today we are going to promote our Clickbank offers on Facebook. Now today I'm going to take another niche. I'm not going on weight loss, but the principle is the same for weight loss or any niche. But today we are going to work on the e-business business opportunity niche. So I'm going to take on Clickbank on Marketplace. I've selected this one, perpetual income 365, but this is just an example. You can do the same strategy I'm going to use with any of the Clickbank offers. So the first thing I'm going to do, since it's a business opportunity, I'm going to go on Facebook and I'm going to join the Facebook group related to that niche, which is make money online. As you can see, I'm pretty interested by make money online. Uh, all right, so you are, because you are watching this video right now. So all you have to do is to join any of those groups. Okay, once you join, what you want to do, you are going to write a post, but don't write any kind of post and trying to spam your link on your Clickbank links on Facebook group, because it doesn't work. It won't work. First of all, Facebook won't allow your Clickbank link to be displayed directly on their network. And second of all, if you put a link, I've discovered that if you have a link directly on your Facebook post, Facebook won't display your post as often and as many people as possible. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to write something like, look, I got some sales with this new method. Type info if interested. That's it. So this is what you are going to post, and you are going to wait for people to comment your post, and then you are going to contact them directly by messenger. So to be more credible, if you haven't made any sales with the method that you are going to promote, you can just go on, for example, on Clickbank, go back on the list here and click on JV. JV is the tool that you are going to need to promote that offer. What you can do, for example, if you haven't made any sales, you can take something like that. I'm going to capture this part right there. Capture. I'm going to save it on my computer, and I'm going to find my image. That's it. There you go. And then you post this. I'm not going to post it because people already know me on these forums. This is what you do, and you wait until people respond to your post. And once people respond to you, you can give them the link with Messenger. But one thing you have to be careful is to not put your Clickbank link directly on the post. So what you're going to do to avoid that, you're going to open Google Drive. Google Drive, I don't know if you know it, but it's a tool from Google. It's like Microsoft Doc. So what you're going to do, go back on your offer, copy the text right there, go back on Google Drive, paste it. I'm going to format it a little bit. All right. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to take another. Okay, I'm going to close this. This I don't need anymore. All right, I'm going to take an image of this. I already took it. So now I'm going to upload it as an image from my computer. All right, I'm going to format it a little bit. Format, image, borders. All right, so I have my image right there. I'm going to add a button below this. Insert. All right, now we're almost done. Now I have my page right there. I'm going to put a link to the offer if someone clicks on that image, and a link if they click on that button. I'm going back on my offer. I'm going to click on promote. Okay, now I'm going to copy that link. All right, now I'm on tinyurl. I'm going to shorten my link. Okay, now I have a nice short link. I'm going to copy this. I'm going back on my page and I'm going to insert a link. Okay, this is the link. Apply. I'm going to insert the same link. Apply. So now it's done. Now what I want to do, I'm going to share this page. So I'm going to change to anyone with this link. And I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to go back on tinyurl and to shorten this one as well. And I'm going to copy this one. So this is the link I'm going to share on Facebook. All right, once it's done, you go back and you keep doing the same thing over and over, and people will start respond to your post on Facebook. And as you can see, I'm on the Clickbank affiliate success page right now. This guy is posting his incomes screenshot, and as you can see, exactly the same thing, and people are commenting like crazy on the same post. And look at his response, PM me and I'll share it what I did. And this is when it comes into play, where you are going to share your Google Doc link. And that's it. You do this and you'll make sales. As I told you in the beginning, I have a secret method to not do all of this, but you need a personal website on WordPress. I work a lot on WordPress. I know a lot of you guys also work on WordPress. All I have to do is go back on my dashboard and add a plugin called Shortcode Redirect. Okay, I'm going to install this. Okay, once the plugin installed, I'm going to create a new page or post. It doesn't matter. I'm going to add a new page and I'm going to call it Make Money Method. Okay, I'm going to publish. I'm going back on plugins, shortcode redirect, view details. I'm going to copy this. I'm going back on my page. Make Money Method, edit. And I'm going to paste this code right there. Now I'm going back on Clickbank. I'm going to now again click on perpetual income. I'm going to generate an uplink. I'm going to copy this, coming back on my post. and I'm going to click replace this URL right there by this one. I'm going to set this to 0 and I'm going to update. Now I'm going to copy and paste this URL right there. This is the page I just created. And now I'm going to go back on Facebook, and I can even reply to any of these guys directly with my link and it will work. Just take a look at this. For example, someone who, okay, PM me, okay, how bro, reply. Check it here. This is my link. Boom, accepted by Facebook. And now if someone clicks, it goes to my website and then redirected directly to the offer. If you want to make something nicer, you can even do something like that, because now while people are before the redirection, there's a little delay. You can, for example, do something like this. Capture. Done. Going to save this on my computer, and I'm going to add this image. Okay. Insert page full width, update. Now if I go back and see the page, now we will have something like this. Instead, it looks like something happened and it just reloaded the page. It's a little bit better, but as you can see, I'm going straight from Facebook to my offer and Facebook didn't even notice. So that's it, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up and tell me what was wrong with it in the comment below. And I promise I will try to improve my next video. Until next time, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. You know why you would do that, because you love my videos. And until next time, thanks for watching.